Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to see the question answer of our Social Studies chapter 16, Making of Laws in the State Assembly. Okay, so in this video, we are going to see the question answer of this chapter and whatever keywords and question answer project work available in this one, we are going to cover all these things. Okay, this is for the Telangana State Board. I hope you know that. So let's just start here. So we will begin with the keywords and the first keyword is manifesto. Okay, what is a manifesto? Cabinet, speakers, bill, act. Okay, MLA means member of legislative assembly. MLC means member of legislative council, and MP is there. MP means member of parliament. Once remember that one. There is a MP also. So M means member, and P means parliament. Okay, so MP means member of parliament. Remember, MLA means member of legislative assembly. It is MLA for the state and MP for the central level. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Okay, so now let's go through the question answer. So this is improve your learning answer, and if you have any doubt, whenever you get confusion in your question, then you can look at in your textbook. Okay, so the question is that name a few areas related days related to days 2 days. Okay, so actually it is repeating. So lives of ordinary peoples on which laws should be made. Okay, these are the answer, like clear drinking water supply. Actually in south it is a big issue. If I see the drinking water issue, like supplying water. Okay, and actually there is a lots of issue. It's not a problem of only this, but majorly city also. This is a issue of Delhi also. Water problem is also a big issue in Delhi also. It is in also a Mumbai also. And whenever you see the big city, it is totally difficult things to be understand about the water facilities. Okay, right. So let's come to our second question. Your schools belongs to a department of school education. Find out some laws which are applicable to your school and students and teacher and headmaster, principal and PT. Okay, so generally this is the answer of that. You can look at out that. Okay, then I will go through the second question. That's the third question. There is a law that no child in the age group of 6 to 14 should remain out of school. What steps should we take to implement this law? Discuss among yourself with the help of your teacher. Okay, and this is the answer. So you can go through that and then read the 4.1. Read the paragraph under the subheadings, the making of laws, and answer these questions given below. Suppose you are a member of Telangana Legislative Assembly, it means that MLA, and which issue will you raise for making the law and why? Explain with an example. Okay, so I hope water scarcity. Okay, this is a good thing. If I think no, so I hope this question is clear. Then we will go to the fifth one. Suppose there is a state under the name of Puravagar with an MLA seat of 368. After an election, different political parties got seats as shown below. Read the above table and answer the following questions. Like answer is there, and this is majority needed. And actually here is a one table is there or something is there in this one, which I didn't taken. I'll directly write the question and this is the answer. You can go through that. Okay, this answer is correct. Don't worry, this is wrong or something. It is not like that. Okay, so now let's go to the sixth question. At present, very few states in our country have a biochemical legislature. Can you name them? Okay, like Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh at a time. Okay, these are the only states. So go through the seventh one. Locate assembly constitutions of your districts on the map. Okay, you have to locate your assembly. Actually this is for student activity, because you can do, because every assembly I cannot locate on the map. So according to your districts you can choose out. Okay, So write an imaginary dialogues for the pictures of the constructs on the characters. Okay, there is a picture and you have to be right about that, and this is the answer of this. Okay, so I hope this video is going to be clear to you and this is going to be very helpful for you. Okay, and if you are looking for other subjects question answer, then you can go through our playlist and you can check out. And otherwise, if you need the notes of any subject or any chapter apart from languages, then you can just tell to me in the comment, and definitely I will upload that, and we will meet on the next video. Jai Hind.